Yo, I think the time change messed everyone up this morning. I woke up a little later than usual. People are still not ordering, so I'm assuming everyone is still asleep. Oh, I take that back actually. We are doing earn by time to start the day off. Current rate is $17.50 an hour, and we've got a Victoricos going 5.5 miles.
Yeah, still asleep.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Oh wow, total ended up being $10 for that one. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This is going under 3 miles.
There you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Put it in a spot where the rain won't get to it. We shall see about that. Those sure were a lot of demands for someone who tipped $0. Total ended up being $6 for that order, by the way, which is not very good. All right, we got an order. Looks like we've got a stack going to 2 different people. Oh, this is 2 different restaurants. Okay. We've got Voodoo Donut and Krispy Kreme. $18 going at 10 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a great one.
You too. Thank you. Okay, we should be back on pace at least. Now we need an order like ASAP to stay on it. Didn't get this one right away, but we got an order. This is going to be for McDonald's going 4 miles. Ooh, this is a hand to customer. We'll be standing at the door. We'll see about that. There you are. Have a good day. Another no tipper. Okay, we are switching off of earn by time. Learned my lesson for the day. Total ended up being just under $7. Okay, luckily we got this order right away. This is for a different McDonald's. This one's gonna be $10 going just under 4 miles. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This is going to be $12 going 6 miles, 4 items. Next up, we've got a Seize the Bagel. This is $9 going 4 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Got this order right away. We've got an IHOP, $11 going 6 miles. Thank you. Next up, we've got a stack for Seize the Bagel, $11 going 4 miles. Thank you. One of these was given to me originally, but it was really, really bad. So obviously I didn't take it, and they immediately stacked it with somebody else. So now it's suddenly worth it. for...
Oh, that's for you.
Thank you.
Yep. Next order up, we've got a Sherry's. This is $8 going 3 miles. I haven't been around this area most of today, so hopefully it's not too busy.
Here you go.
Thank you. Okay, I am starving. It's still really early, but I think I'm just gonna call it. Current time is 10:38. Current total, I just got the last Uber tip in just now, is going to be 102. That is actually surprising. I didn't think today was going that well. I'm not sure where that money came from, but I'll take it. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.